The journey of an orgasm begins with sensory stimulation. Nerve endings in erogenous zones, like the skin's surface, detect touch and send electrical signals through peripheral nerves. These signals travel at speeds up to 120 meters per second, reaching the spinal cord within milliseconds. Specialized nerve fibers, called C-tactile afferents, respond specifically to gentle, slow strokes, key to pleasurable touch. This biological wiring explains why certain types of contact feel more arousing than others. The spinal cord acts as a superhighway, relaying sensory signals to the brain. Sacral and lumbar spinal nerves bundle these messages into the spinothalamic tract, which ascends to the brainstem. Notably, the pudendal nerve, critical for genital sensation, connects directly to this pathway. Research shows that even individuals with spinal injuries can sometimes experience orgasms, proving the brain's ability to bypass physical stimuli. As signals reach the brain, the limbic system, the emotional command center, lights up. The amygdala processes arousal and threat, while the nucleus accumbens releases dopamine, creating waves of pleasure. fMRI studies reveal that this region activates 30% more intensely during orgasm than during rest. Simultaneously, the anterior cingulate cortex integrates physical sensations with emotional context, explaining why mood profoundly affects sexual experience. This interplay between reward and emotion is what makes orgasms feel uniquely satisfying. The hypothalamus, a pea-sized brain region, triggers a hormonal cascade. It releases oxytocin, often called the love hormone, which intensifies physical pleasure and promotes bonding. Concurrently, the pituitary gland secretes endorphins, natural painkillers that induce euphoria. Studies show oxytocin levels spike by 150% during climax. This hormonal flood also deactivates the prefrontal cortex, temporarily quieting self-consciousness and rational thought, allowing pure sensory immersion. At climax, the sensory cortex erupts in activity, mapping pleasure across the body. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for judgment, temporarily shuts down, explaining the loss of self-awareness. Post-orgasm, the parasympathetic nervous system activates, slowing heart rate and inducing relaxation. Brain scans show this shift as a wave of blue, calm, replacing red, arousal. This cycle, from tension to release, mirrors the brain's ability to self-regulate, a dance of neurons and chemistry.